Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pallavi, and in today's video I've tried to do a pink glam makeup look, which is a daytime makeup look. So if you're going for any party in daytime, then you're wearing something in pink shade, then you can definitely go with this look. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then do continue watching the video. And if you're new to my channel, then my name is Pallavi. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video and I'll show you how to get this look. So keep on watching, guys. I will start my makeup by applying a primer. The primer is from Mars, which is 24K gold primer. And I'll use my hands to spread it all over my face, especially the T-zone area. And then I'm going ahead and applying a face cream, which is from Lakme Absolute Skin Whitening and Lightening Cream. This will make your face a bit lighter and your makeup will not become dark. Now I'm applying Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation in the shade number 05, and I'm using a beauty blender to blend out the foundation. This foundation gives normal to medium coverage, so you can use it on a daily basis. But if you're going for a party, then you can apply it twice. First apply a little and then blend out everything, and then you can go ahead and apply it twice, so the coverage will look pretty good on your face if you're stepping out for a party or something. For concealing my face, I used Mars Conceal and Contour palette, and then I am using Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade number 330. And now I'm using SFR color eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this light shade as a base eyeshadow. I'm using this small tip brush to apply on my eyelids. For a transition shade, I'm using a dark pink eyeshadow. I'm applying it with a brush, and then with the same brush I'm applying shimmery soft pink eyeshadow. This eyeshadow color matches with the dress, so I've applied this one, and then I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm blending out everything slowly. So take your own time and then blend out, guys, because if you'll hurry, then everything will look very cakey. Applying on both the eyes, and now I'm applying a eyeliner. Eyeliner is from Lakme Absolute in the shade black, and then I'm applying mascara. Mascara is from Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. This is a beautiful mascara, guys. It naturally curls your eyelashes. And then I'm applying a false eyelash. I've used this tool to apply the eyelash, and I'm using Swiss Beauty dark brown eyebrow pencil. I've used a spoolie brush to brush out my eyebrows, and then I highlighted my eyebrow with the help of a shimmery highlighter. And then I'm using a white kajal on my under eye. The kajal is from Wet n Wild, and I'm using the same eyeshadow which I applied on my eyelids, the lighter pink eyeshadow I'm applying on my under eye. And then I applied Maybelline Iconic Kajal in the shade now black, just on my outer corner of my under eye. To contour my face, I'm using Mars Conceal and Contour palette, and I'm applying on my forehead with the help of the brush, and on my chin part. Now I'm contouring my nose, and I'm using a beauty blender to blend out everything. Just dab on it and you'll be done. You can also use a brush to contour, to blend the contour. And now I'm applying a blush. I'm applying on my cheeks, and then I'm applying a highlighter with this fluffy brush on my nose. I'm highlighting, and then I'll be highlighting on the upper lip, then on the chin part. I guess I have applied a bit too much on the forehead, so I'll be using a beauty blender to take out the excess highlighter. I guess it's perfect now. Now for lipstick, guys, I'm applying Huda Beauty lipstick. It is in the shade soft pink. To complete the look, I'm wearing a jhumki earring and a golden bindi, and I've center parted my hair. This dress I actually wore on my brother's engagement. So I am done with my makeup, guys. I hope you like it. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, then like button पे press कर देना, guys. And also if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section, did you like this look or not, and what do you think about it. You can definitely go with this look if you are going for a daytime party and you're wearing something in pink shade, then this look will be perfect for you. So yeah, for more such content, do subscribe to my channel, guys, because I keep posting makeup related videos. And you can follow me on my social media handle. Links are given down in the description box. Facebook and Instagram, you can follow me up there. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep loving. Bye bye.